So yes guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Island Adventure. Yes, where me and River is back at it again. Now
we are here.
We are here. We are here. So now we are gonna get ready to prepare for Christmas dinner. Yep.
Right.
Breakfast is over. Now it's preparation. We're putting in preparation to get Christmas dinner ready. Wow. So as you can see, we get the fire started right here. The fire is started right here. We're gonna put on the gungo peas. In America or anywhere else they call it pigeon peas. Well, in Jamaica we call it gungo peas. So we're gonna put some gungo peas on the fire to cook, and then we're gonna go get some wood to fry some. We're gonna be doing some escovitch fish. Yep, we're gonna be doing some escovitch fish. Gonna do some jerk chicken, and we're gonna be also grilling some chicken. So yes, we are about to get this Christmas dinner started, guys. So stay tuned and see how we get this thing done. We're gonna be doing this thing epic today. So yes guys, remember, subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, leave a comment, press that notification bell that you won't miss an epic video. And all of you guys out there, guys, season's greeting, Merry Christmas. And guys, have a good one with your families and friends. And you know guys, enjoy this day, man. Whether it's day or afternoon or night, wherever you are, guys, it's a blessed day. Enjoy it. Okay guys, so stay tuned guys, and watch the progress. Okay, so yes guys, welcome back to Island Adventure. Yes, so as you can see, this is the gungo peas right here. Gungo peas is cooked. So Mr. River is seasoning them up and he's getting them ready for us to add the coconut. Some people call it coconut juice. I call it coconut milk. You know, I'm growing up around my grandparents, those ancient people, they call it, I never hear any of them call it coconut juice. All of them call it coconut milk. So, or if you want to call it coconut juice, whatever. As for me, I'm calling it coconut milk because that's what I heard the ancient them usually call it, coconut milk. So, the gungo peas is ready. It's already cooked. I tried it. It's cooked. This guy right here, this is the chicken. I'm gonna grill him up. I'm gonna River already cut him up. We're gonna wash him in these, wash him with some sour orange to get rid of the rawness and get him sorted out. Look at that, guys. Look at that. That guy is epic right there. We're gonna season him up properly. Yep, properly. And gungo peas is ready. So, you know, I had the option of using powder coconut milk. My sister brought this guy to me yesterday, so I was hesitating to crack him up and blender him up or use the powder form, but I'm gonna do this guy. This guy is a natural. This guy right here is the natural stuff right here. That's what I'm gonna do. Yo, River, remember the blender here? All right. So yes, this guy gonna crack him up, cut him up, blender him up, juice him up, and put him in that guy over there. So yes, that's where we at right now, guys. You know, the grill is over there for the pork. Pork is already seasoning up. We're gonna put him in the grill. The fire is there for, we're gonna catch the fire right there for the fish. We're gonna cook the peas right here, and the chicken right there is going on the grill also. So that is where we at, guys. We are getting these guys sorted out. So stay tuned, guys, and watch the progress. And remember, subscribe to the channel, guys. Like the video, share the video, leave a comment, press that notification bell that you won't miss an epic video on Island Adventure, because this is where we do epic stuff. Isn't that right? Why? Hey, X, isn't that right? Island Adventure is where you get epic stick done. You don't have nothing to say? What do you have to say for the viewers? You don't have nothing to say? Yes, sir. So guys, this is where we get it done. In the hills, underneath the breadfruit tree. Christmas dinner. And this is where we're getting it done. Isn't it true? You waiting on your dinner also? Don't worry yourself, we're gonna take care of you, okay? Yes, sir. No joke, that's how we do it, guys. So, as I say, stay tuned, guys, and watch the progress, because this is how we do it on Island Adventure. The gungo peas, pigeon peas, whatever you call it, that guy is up, ready to go. This guy right here, cut up, gonna get washed with some sour orange, get rid of the rawness, and get him ready to put him on the grill. That's how we do it, guys. You got some fish over here. We're gonna escovitch them, get them sorted out, and put them on the fire. That's how we do it, guys. So stay tuned and watch the progress, because this thing is about to go up. Okay? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Stay tuned and watch the progress, guys. So welcome back to the channel, guys. Right now I'm going up in the woods to get some sour orange to use it to clean my chicken. You know, I have little vinegar down there, but I want the vinegar to use to make some pickling for the fish, because I'm doing escovitch fish. So I want that to use for that. So I have a big sour orange tree up there somewhere in the woods. So I'm just gonna go up there and get some sour orange to get it to use to wash my chicken, you know, and maybe use some of it to make some drinks for later. Okay, guys, so follow me on this journey. Okay, here we go. Okay, pass. Yep. 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 It's like jungle up there. Wow. Ooh. Yep. Well, I think I can see a tree right there. Yeah, I can see it right there. Oh, there's a lot on it. Yeah. So I'm just gonna pick me some of them. Yeah, there it is right there, guys. There's a lot of sour oranges on it. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Wow. So I'm gonna do a lot. Maybe I'm not gonna do a lot. Maybe I'm just gonna do half a dozen. I think half a dozen is good. We're gonna get some of them also to make some drinks, to make some nice cool drinks, man. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna pick like 6 of them. Yeah. 2. 3. 4. I think I can reach this one right here. Yeah. I think I'm just gonna do one. Yeah. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna do like five. Five is good. Yeah, yeah, that's good. Yeah, there's some. Yeah, I think the five is good. He's gonna do five. Oh, I did get the six. Do get the six. There's one on the ground right here, guys. Already fall from the tree. That's good. There's another one. Another, oh, seven. That's not bad. Oh, what's this? This is a Nesbury. Oh, the rat them got to it already. On this Nesbury tree right here, I remember climbing it when I was a little boy. And back then the Nesburys were bigger on it, huge, but everything is grown up. You need to be clean around so that you can get a better crop. See where my brother planted some coconut trees, planted up some coconut trees up in here. Yeah, planted up some coconut tree, pear tree. You know, some people call them avocado. See, there's a lot. He planted up a lot of avocado up here. Yeah, there's a pimento tree right there, but just some young ones on it, blossoms. Yeah, we planted some pineapple, guava, soursop, plantain, banana, jackfruit or jackfruit, you know, ackee. He planted a lot of stuff up here. I think he was, no, I don't think he planted this. This was here. I remember this when it was quite small. I think this eventually grown up from a seed dropped by a fruit bat or something like that. Yep. So yep, I got my sour orange, and that's good enough for me, man. So I'm gonna use that to wash off the rawness off the chicken and season it and get it set up. Okay, guys. So stay tuned, guys, as we get this thing popping. Okay? Yes, sir. I'm gonna take this shortcut right here. When I was growing up, this place wasn't like this. It was clear. Look at the Nesbury tree, guys. Look at that. I don't think they're not ready yet. And the ackee tree. See, one open one, two open one, but as you can see, this one right here, the rat got into it already. Yep. So, and that one also, the rat eat into that one also. Eat up everything. But hey, we gotta heat, they gotta heat, you know? Can't heat everything. So hopefully we can get some off of it before they get everything off it. But it is what it is. You know, Jah provide for everybody. Everybody Jah provide for. Jah provides for not just humans alone. He provides for all of his creation, guys. So everybody got to eat. So yes, I'm gonna take this shortcut right here and go back down to the cooking site. Because as we say, we are preparing Christmas dinner outside underneath the breadfruit tree. This morning we did breakfast, callaloo and saltfish with banana, yam, sweet potato, pumpkin, and dasheen. Man, I went in the pot 3 times, guys. It was awesome. Yep. So yes, we're heading back down to the cooking site, guys, and see if we can get this thing started. So stay tuned, guys, and watch the progress. Okay? Yeah. I'm gonna take this shortcut to go back down. Yep. So guys, remember, subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the videos, leave a comment, press that notification bell that you won't miss an epic video. Okay? Yup. So take a little shortcut, go back there. This pear tree blossom, we call this pear. This is Jamaican pear right here. Is blossoming. Yup. Nice. Yup. Beautiful. But there's none on it. Yeah. Maybe tomorrow we're gonna do a hunting for fruits in the woods, so stick along with me, guys. Tomorrow we're gonna take a journey in the woods, see if we can find what we can find to eat in the woods, okay? But there's a lot of stuff up here, man. You got a lot of fruit trees up here. This guy right here is a soursop tree. Look at that. Speaking about that, look at that. This one ripe and fell off the tree already. Look at that. Unbelievable. Look at this one also. That is 2. Look at this. This is, look at that. This is 3. Look at that. This is 4. Look at that. This is 5. Unbelievable. Look at this. 2 soursop. I got a passion fruit. Look at that, guys. All the soursop. 4 soursop already fell off the tree. All of them underneath the tree spoiled. So yes, tomorrow I think I'm gonna take a journey up in this woods to go on I think I'm gonna do a search for food in the woods, guys, because there's a lot of fruits up here, guys. A lot of fruit. Look at that. 2 soursop, passion fruit, and sour lime, sour orange. Epic. Yes, sir. Yeah, I'll get back down to the cooking side. Yep. Woo! Yeah, one of them fall off of the tree. Yeah, so Mr. River here is getting the seasoning ready.
Yeah, and I have the gungo here in the pot already.
And yep.
The pot.
Gungo is there on the fire getting ready. And what is this you're preparing for?
Thyme, scallion, ginger to season the rice.
To season the rice.
Also with a scotch bonnet pepper.
Oh yes. You hear that, guys? He's gonna season the rice with his scallion, thyme, ginger, garlic, and scotch bonnet pepper. Some of you may be saying, what is that? Yeah, some of you who come from the country will know exactly what he's doing. Those of you who don't know the real Jamaican cooking, you will say, oh, and that's not how they do. Well, this is how we do it.
So this is how it's done.
This is how it's done in the hills, up in the hills, of which name I won't call. So yes, this is how we do it, guys. He's seasoning the rice. He's seasoning the pot for the rice. I got the sour orange here for the chicken. I'm gonna go get the chicken, cut him up, wash him up with these guys. You know, I think I'm gonna juice these soursop and make some soursop juice. Guys, look at this fresh soursop, fresh. Look at that, 2 of them. I only got 2. There was 5, and 2 of them is 2 is good. The other 3, yeah, it wasn't so proper, you know. But yes, look at that, guys. Fresh from the land. Yes, guys. So stay tuned. I'm gonna get that chicken, cut him up, wash him up, sour orange him up, and then get him ready for the grill. Wood is there ready for the fish. Grill is there ready for the pork and the chicken. And the rice is getting seasoned up over there by Mr. River. So guys, stay tuned. So Ian, what you got to say to the viewers?
Just keep watching. When the rice is finished, we will see how the end result is like.
Okay. So yes, guys. So subscribe to the channel.
And stay tuned, put up a notification bell so when a new video is being posted, you can be notified of our latest videos also.
You hear that, guys? Yes, yes, that's how we do it on Island Adventure. Up in the hills, underneath the breadfruit tree. Cooking, about to get Christmas dinner ready. Breakfast was done, epic. Enjoy. Done. Eat. Pat. clean, wash, dry. And now we are on another journey. We're getting ready for Christmas dinner outside. This is how we do it up in the hills, underneath the breadfruit tree. Hillman style. Christmas dinner. Okay, guys? So X, what do you got to say? You don't have nothing to say? You're just looking in the camera? Say subscribe to the channel, guys. Say like the videos. You're not saying anything? Okay. So X is sitting waiting for his dinner, guys. So guys, stay tuned and watch the progress as we get this thing popping, because this is how we do it on Island Adventure. We do things epic. So stay tuned, guys. Like the video, share the video, leave a comment, subscribe, press that notification bell that you won't miss an epic video, because this channel is all about epic. Stay tuned, guys. Stay with the progress, okay? Yes, sir. So yes, guys, I am going to get some wood. Some people call it fire stick. We don't use fire stick in Jamaica. We call it wood, firewood. I'm gonna get some firewood. You know, look at my machete. So we're gonna get some firewood to get the fire ready to fry some fish. Okay, guys. So stick with me on this journey. Okay. All right. So yes, guys, so remember, subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, press that, leave a comment, press that notification bell that you won't miss an epic video. So yes, so right now we're gonna look some wood to get the fish fried. Okay. Yep, that's how we do it, guys. Yep. Get some wood to fry the fish. Alright. This piece look like a nice piece here. I think this is, like, they call them sea grape, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. My late uncle had planted these sea grape trees up here, and some of them died. So they blaze good. I can't find no pimento wood right now, so this is what I'm gonna use. Okay. Yep. Yep. Yep, this guy is good. Yep. So this is what we're gonna use to fry the fish, guys. Yep, nice and dry. I was trying to get some pimento wood, but I can't find any pimento wood, so I'm using these guys right here. Yep, so I think this is gonna be enough. So yeah, I'm just gonna cut them up right now. Yep, beautiful. They're gonna grill some fish also. Yeah. Yep, just like that, guys. Just like that. Some people call them fire stick. I don't know why. I'm from Jamaica. We don't call it fire stick. My grandparents usually send me to go look firewood, no fire stick. So whatever guys want to call it, they're busy, but that's what me, I'm calling firewood. That's what I'm used to. Okay, guys. Yep. 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 Cutting these guys up, guys. Fry, do some escovitch fish. Gonna do some escovitch fish. Gonna jerk some chicken and some pork. Outside cooking. Hilltop man style. That's how we're doing it. And River is gonna be the chef for today again. He's gonna be cooking up a storm today. Yep. So getting these guys ready. They're nice and dry. Gonna set up the fire. That's it. Yep. Yep. That's it, guys. So I think that's be enough. Let's see. Do these two little bramble right here. You know, some people, as I say, some people call it fire stick. You know, my grandparents, before they ever got a gas stove, they usually send us way in the woods to go look to get firewood. That's what they tell us, to get firewood. So, you know, some people, they may try not to use the word firewood because, you know, it sounds too much close to something else. But as for me, hey, it's all in the mind. I'm getting firewood to fry my fish. Yes, sir. So guys, stay tuned and watch the progress after this. You know, I don't have any vinegar. You know, I think I have some vinegar, but I don't have enough to do the pickling for the fish. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be doing getting some sour orange. I'm gonna be getting some sour orange. I'm gonna be getting some sour orange to, like, you know, to use it to wash the chicken and get it seasoned and ready for the chef to get it set up. Okay, guys? So stay tuned, okay? Yes, sir. So yes, guys, welcome back. So yes, this guy right here, I'm gonna get this guy grater up to put in the peas, let him cook a little and get him ready, salt it up for the rice. Yes, so this water right here, some people just crack the coconut and throw away the water, but as for me, I'm gonna drink it. I ain't throwing it away. No, sir. Look at that. That's a lot of coconut water right there. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I got a stocker. He can't hold all of it. I got to drink it and fill it some more, guys. Look at that. Mm. Crazy. That's a lot of water, guys. That's a lot of coconut water in this one coconut right here. Yep. So I'm gonna empty him out real good. What? Still going? You gotta be kidding me. That's a lot of water in this coconut, guys. refreshing, guys. One more time. That's a lot of coconut water in that guy right there. Still going. Look at that. Still going. Oh, that's it. Wow. It's amazing. Drink him up, man. I ain't throwing this away. Excuse me. It does that. It the spot. Yes, sir. So now this guy right here, I'm gonna crack this guy up, get him ready. River went for his blender. I can't find my blender. My blender put on the wings of the morning and flew away. I can't find mine. So he's gonna lend me his. So I'm gonna crack this guy open, split him up, slice him up, dice him up, and put him in the blender. Yes, sir. Yep. Yep. That's how we do it, guys. Look at that. Unbelievable. Yep. Then I'm gonna put him in this guy right here. And then I'm gonna get him sorted out. Yep. Gonna get him sorted out, guys. Cut him up and get him ready, okay? So stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned and watch the progress, cause this guy is about to get sliced and diced. Yes, sir. I am getting this guy sorted out, okay? You know, this is the ginormous coconut that my sister brought for me from country, you know. So I'm getting him ready. Yep. Guys, be careful whenever you're digging this guy out, man. You know, hold it like this. Don't hold the knife like this, man. You will cut your hands off. Cut your hand off. Just hold it like the tip like that and take your time, man. Look at that. Easy. Easy peasy. Like 1, 2, 3. You take your time. Prime him. Prime. There you go. Just like that, guys. Yep. One more time. Look at that. You just release as you slide along. You just prime up a little. Yep. There you go. Easy. Easy, like easy. Guy right here is pop that guy open. Yep. Yep. Look at that, guys. So. Yep. Yeah. This piece fell on the ground. You think he's gonna go like that? No, he's going in my belly. Look at that. So this guy right there, you know, you think this guy is ready to put in the blender? Don't put it in the blender like this. You have been warned.
Yeah, you need coconut milk. 14 it and roast the rice.
So you're gonna dice him up. Yeah, we're gonna dice him up real good. Yep. Yep. That's how we do it. That's how we do it. Say subscribe to the channel.
Subscribe to the channel. Husband, could you go on please?
Okay.
Please and thank you, please.
So my wife, I must go, so I'm gonna sit and get this, prep this coconut. Yeah. So this is how you do it, guys. You know.
Let me feel that more one. Yeah. Thank you.
That's why she want a little pay. So, we go. Dicing them up, dice him up. Why? What's up? Why? You want coconut? Alright, so getting this guy prepped. Remember, don't put the coconut in the blender like this. You gotta dice him up. So yes guys, remember, subscribe to the channel, like the videos, share the videos, leave a comment, press that notification bell that you won't miss an epic video. Okay? Yes sir. That's how we do it on Island Adventure, where we do things epic. Yep, underneath the breadfruit tree, Christmas dinner. Yep. Yes sir, epic. That's how we do it guys. So, dicing up this coconut.
Careful. And just have to blend part. Lots of water.
Becky stuff in here.
You don't have any thing, right?
So stay tuned guys as we get this thing up.